The words we speak are far more than simple sounds. They carry a lasting frequency that resonates in the ether. Often, we are careless with our speech, unaware of its profound impact. However, the consistent words we speak play a vital role in shaping our state of being, serving as a mirror of our inner world. Sadly, many people fail to understand the power their words hold. They speak casually, without considering the consequences. If someone continuously talks about poverty and helplessness, those words permeate the ether, influencing their subconscious mind. The subconscious mind does not judge what is good or bad for us. It faithfully brings forth whatever we express and believe to be true. As a result, our words hold immense power, shaping the reality we experience. Neville Goddard's concept of the law of assumption explains this principle. Our spoken words reveal unconscious assumptions, which then manifest in our lives. By observing the words we speak, we can see how accurately they shape the world around us. Joseph Murphy famously said, "As you sow in your subconscious mind, so shall you reap in your body and environment." If someone repeatedly speaks of weakness, that very weakness will take root. Similarly, dwelling on a lack of love will only amplify its absence in their life. The subconscious mind operates without judgment. That role belongs to the conscious mind. So when you say, "I don't want to be unhappy anymore," your subconscious listens intently but focuses on the dominant emotions behind your words. You might wonder, why do I keep attracting unhappiness when I desire happiness? Neville Goddard offers the answer. We manifest not what we want, but what we are. Instead of saying, "I don't want to be unhappy," shift to affirmations like, "I am happy, blessed, and feeling wonderful." This change declares a current state of joy, creating a new emotional foundation and aligning your inner being with the reality you wish to experience. Merely speaking words of wealth and abundance is not enough. Genuine feelings of gratitude are essential. When you cultivate a sense of thankfulness for what you have, you naturally adopt a mindset of abundance. Over time, this transforms your speech, complaints fade away, and an urge to express even greater gratitude emerges. It is vital to pay attention to the emotional connection behind your words. Even jokes about negative aspects of life can have unintended effects on the subconscious. Self-deprecating humor, though seemingly harmless, can reinforce limiting beliefs because the subconscious takes everything literally. Complaining is another detrimental habit. When we complain, we inadvertently give energy to the very things we dislike, solidifying them into our reality. This pattern is especially evident in relationships. Couples who focus on grievances instead of understanding and love often find themselves trapped in cycles of unhappiness. To break free, choose words that uplift and empower. Replace phrases like, "I hope I can succeed," with, "I trust I will succeed." Notice the subtle but profound difference between hoping and trusting. Similarly, replace, "I will try my best," with, "I trust I will do amazingly." Such shifts infuse positivity and vitality into your being, enhancing your overall experience. Words as reflections of inner being. Our words reveal much about who we are. They act as a reflection of our inner state and serve as an announcement to the world and our subconscious mind. By aligning your inner dialogue with love and compassion, you can harmonize your words with your deepest desires. Over time, this alignment creates consistent, positive outcomes, transforming your life. The eternal nature of words. Hermes Trismegistus said, "Man is given the gift of speech and mind, making him equal to the immortals." Words are eternal, lingering in the ether and influencing the collective consciousness. The energy generated by our words accumulates over time, shaping both our personal lives and the world around us. When you speak words of love, you invite love into every aspect of your existence. Conversely, speaking words of hatred draws discord and negativity. The world mirrors our inner state, reflecting our consciousness back to us. Within each of us lies the potential for the kingdom of heaven, not as a physical place, but as a state of being. Awakening the power within. As immortal beings, we possess the extraordinary ability to bring our imagination into reality. By elevating your consciousness and embracing the profound truth within, you can contribute to transforming the world into a realm of harmony and abundance. Choose your words wisely, for they are the seeds of your destiny. Speak with intention, gratitude, and love, and witness how your words shape not only your personal reality but also the collective experience of humanity. Use the magic of your speech to create a life aligned with your highest aspirations, manifesting a heaven on earth.